once again to all of the students. How are you all? Oh, very fine. So today we are going to see about the articles. Often we don't see any importance of articles. We feel that articles are not necessary. We just make the sentence and write it down, or we may speak it. But articles are very important part. Let us understand today how we have to use them. You know, articles, they are a, an and the. So these are the small articles. We have 26 alphabets in English dictionary. So from these 26 alphabets, 5 are the vowels. Let us see that here we see a and an. A and an is an indefinite article. Indefinite, that is, we say indefinite things about it, and they are only used in singular. A and an are used in singular to show one thing, that is, I have a computer. We don't say usually I have one computer. So let us see here, from the alphabets A, E, I, O, U are called vowels, and with this vowel, for a single thing, we have to write N, A-N-N. As for example, we say an apple, an elephant, an import, an ox, an umbrella. For a single thing, we say N. As for example, we say I eat an apple daily. That means I eat one apple daily. Here H silent, where H is not spoken. Example, honest. When we speak honest, we don't speak H, we say O. So at that time also we have to add N. Now the remaining A, E, I, O, U. Apart from that, the other remaining alphabets, that is B, C, D to Z, they are called consonants, and with them we use A for a single thing. That is a chair. This is a ruler. So with that, that is a box. This is a cat. I have a dog. So there is a lion in the zoo. That is a zebra. So with this alphabet we use A for a single thing. So A and N are used for singular. They are indefinite. With the vowels we use N, and with the consonant we use A. So I hope that is clear to you. Here we see articles. They are divided into two different things, that is definite and indefinite. Indefinite comes only in singular, that is A and N. Now with the A we know that consonants, with consonant we use A. That is a boy, a girl, a school. And with vowels we use N for a single thing. An egg, an animal, an old man, an hour. But there are some exceptional cases. That is, let us see, when we speak an hour, here H is not spoken. Here we say hour. That is, a vowel sound is there. So we have to put N. Again, this hen starts with H, but her is spoken. So A, hen. Here an MSC. MSC. So vowel is spoken, so N, MSC. But the same word starting with man, ma, man. A, man. Here an SSC. A, son. Here A is spoken and here Sa is spoken. So an old man. So according to vowel it is old. And one-eyed 1 rupee note. Va is spoken. So va, that is, you have to write a 1 rupee note. And uncle, with U we get, and that is true. But when we speak university, a university, we speak a university, a useful, because ya is spoken. So what we have to remember is, when A, E, I, O, U are written but not pronounced, we have to put accordingly vowel or consonant. So it depends on the pronunciation. If the pronunciation is of a vowel, we have to put N, and if the pronunciation is of a consonant, we have to put A. Okay. So going ahead, we would see where to use the. Definitely with the plural things we use the. But where in singular? We have learnt in so many of our years in 8th, 9th, 10th and 11th, 12th that the is a definite article. As for example, we say call a doctor, so any doctor can be called. But if we say call the doctor, that is the doctor, either we are taking treatment that doctor or our family doctor. So the shows the definite things. The is used in singular as well as plural. In singular when it is used, let us see. Now for the definite things, if we say that is a projector. But for that projector, if we have to say the projector is useful. With the names of the rivers like the Ganga, the Brahmaputra, the Nile, the Amazon, the Satluj, the Ravi, all the names of rivers we use the. With the lakes, the Dal Sarovar, the Naki Lake, the Dudhya Talav, so and so on. With the mountains, the Mount Everest, the Himalayas, the Kanchenjunga, the Western Ghats. So with all the mountains we use the. With oceans and seas, the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Dead Sea, the Atlantic Ocean. So all the oceans we use the. With the holy books, we use the. The Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Dhanvantari, the Charak, the Bible, the Gita. With the communities, the Hindus, the Muslims, the Sikh, the Christians. With all the groups, that is, when we say the peacock is our national bird, so it is not only one, the whole group is told about. The peacock is our national bird, so all the peacock. If we say the blind cannot see, that means all the blind, all the group cannot see. So with the group we use the. With the wonders of the world, like the Eiffel Tower, the Wall of China, the Taj Mahal. So with the wonders of the world, with the full and short forms of the countries. So we use the. Now with the unique things, the thing which is only one in the world, they are unique. Like we say the Lakshman Jula, the Red Fort, the Tirupati Temple, the Somnath Temple. So these types of unique things, with those things also we say the. With the planets, that is the Sun, the Moon, the Mars, the Jupiter, the Venus, the Saturn. With the directions, the North, the East, the Northeast, the Southeast. We say the. With the numbers, he is the first in the class. He is the last to come. The end. So with the numbers we use they. With the musical instruments, the mandolin, the violin, the guitar. With the magazines, the Sevi, the Stardust, the Indian Express. With the superlative degree, as we know, we say large, larger, largest, good, better, best. So with the third degree, that is with the superlative degree we use the. He is the best in the class. It is the largest river in the country. So with the superlative degree we use the. Now we have to particularly remember where to use an and when not to use. So we say we do not use an and with names and uncountables. That is, we don't say he is a Dhara. We say she is Dhara. I am a teacher. With the professions we use a and n. With the names we don't use a and n. She is a she is a Kavita. We don't say that. We say she is Kavita. With uncountables, that is the things which we cannot count. There is all water in the pond. We can't say that. There is water in the pond. There is some milk in the jug. So what we have to remember, we do not use A and N with names and uncountables. But we use A and N with things and profession. That is a chair. He is a doctor. I am a teacher. So with the things and profession, we use A and N. So that is all about our A and the. So we have to remember here things that it depends on the pronunciation where to write A and N. The is used in singular as well as plural. In singular, these are the things where we have to use. Here we have to again remember we do not use A and N with names and uncountables, and we use A and N with things and professions. So that is all about A and N. Today there is a conversation, little bit of, let us see that. As usual when we meet we speak about, so let us see here. Good, as we say good afternoon to all of you. How are you all? Say I'm fine, thank you. If you ask me, ma'am, how are you? Who says I'm not fine today. So you would ask what happened? I would say I have a stomach ache. So I have a stomach ache. So how the conversation goes on. So you would again ask me, do you often have stomach ache? My answer would be no. You would again ask, did you take heavy meal yesterday? Yes, I went in marriage. So you would say that, oh, so there you are. You may take Digene or Eno. You'll be alright. Okay, fine. I'll try it and thank you very much for your concern. So that is where we converse with. So we are offline, online, as well as we have our videos on YouTube. If you want, you may contact myself, Bhavna, Gandhi, Hajariwala. My mobile number is 9773434318. Thank you all of you. That is enough for today. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.